let's get to the point. We are going to make a good amount of money, I promise. I found a trading situation here and we are placing a trade for exactly 3 minutes at the maximum amount of $1,000, which is possible. You can place several trades, but the maximum amount is $1,000. So we are entering a 3-minute trade for a decline on the asset since today is a weekend, and trades can be made on the asset. For those who don't know, you need to approach this carefully because the asset can be volatile. Now, regarding the analysis, why did I place this trade? It's not just random. This pair has been analyzed and I will explain why. There is a complete downward movement, the price is going down, and we have lower highs and lower lows. Here is a descending channel and I took the trade from the upper boundary of the channel, clearly going short for 3 minutes. Why did I choose 3 minutes? Because the price might rise above this area and then pull back down. So I am placing a 99% bet on a decline. If my prediction is correct, I will earn $920 net from this trade. Right now, I am in a great mood. The nervousness is fading because the likelihood of losing my $1,000 is lower, and instead I might earn. This is a risky situation, yes, but again, I emphasize that this is based on solid analysis. I have been trading for over 8 years and know what I am doing when I choose a precise trade. We have 1 minute left. It feels great. There shouldn't be such movement. I think the price is falling. For those who don't know, I have a closed Telegram channel with signals and educational videos where we trade based on the signals I set with the guys from the closed group. You can write to me in the Telegram channel saying you want to join the team, and I will add you so you can develop, place such trades, and earn with us. There will also be educational videos soon, including a new video purely from my experience where I will break down the situation and answer questions. I am recording a video for the guys in the closed Telegram channel. There is a bit of impulse happening, but it's okay. We have about 20 seconds left and my trade is going in. You know, it feels great. This shouldn't be done by beginners because essentially this is about 25% of my deposit. Of course, I want to grow my deposit. For those who don't know, I am growing this deposit from $100. Check out the previous video if you haven't seen it, where the entire growth happened. I traded a bit yesterday and grew it a little. I didn't record a video. We are netting $920 to the deposit. The official link to this broker is in the description below this video. They are currently running a contest, so register, deposit, and start earning money. Like this video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't, hit the bell, and leave a comment.